Association, our bookstore is a member, has been really instrumental in kind of helping to spread that word. And I think it's something that's really catching on with people who are getting that there's more to buying things than getting the cheapest price. They're sort of having this communal, human scale experience. There's going into a store where you're going to meet your neighbors, you're going to talk to people who know you, you're going to be in a sort of like environment that's designed around people rather than around packing in as much product as possible. And we work on sort of creating this space that people want to be in. That's a big part of what we're selling, as well as the books on the shelf.
But it's not just, I'm sympathetic to that, but then there was a part of me that sort of distrusts my life for like shop local and just like bourgeois affectation. But basically like, yes, the question, I guess,
Qui a ronflé?
where our politics come from, right?
Ronflé.